ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis when the price was within this move here, we mentioned if we get any buy stop, we can look for buy. But the question was how complex can be this correction? As you can see, the price move a bit high, but we didn't get any trade setup. No, we get the down move. We want to see whether this one can retest this low. We can look for the flat and what type of the flat we can look for. Okay. Anyway, in this case, we move to higher time frame. There is no much changes. If we refer to our analysis in my last video, we have been looking for this correction. We want to see whether how high this one can go. Okay, either we can expect to get the one more drop from this in relative to this correction, or this is the start of the up move. As we mentioned, mostly we're looking for continuation, but we need to know both the possibility of the price drop if we want to look for buy. And even if we move to forward chart, we're looking at this correction. We want to see if we get any buy setup, we're looking for buying. But we should know that if this one turns to a correction relative to this, maybe the price can give us drop, or this one, or either the price move higher, it turns to a deeper correction. Okay, the only thing is if we want to get any trade from here, what we're looking for continuation with the sharp move. If it turns to a corrective move, we are not going to stay with the trade. We should take out the trade. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, right now we're looking at any trade setup either from here for buy or even the price drop. We will look at, we will take it because the possibility of the flat, we're looking at the flat. We can look at this type of the flat. That's mean without breaking this low, and even we can expect the price to break this low. And even in my last analysis, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop to any of these levels before we get the next move. Okay, that's mean how deep this one can be, we cannot confirm, but we can see it still can break the previous low because of the different type of the flat we can have. Have it here. It can form here, but anyway, any buy setup from now, if we get the trade setup, we'll take it, and when the price tag 1.4, this is where we start to manage. Okay, at least more stop loss to break even. Anyway, as I mentioned, there is no more changes relative to my last analysis. Now we're looking at this, we're looking for buy. Okay, in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share.